Hey, this is Billy with Proactive Real Estate Services. We're hoping that we can give you guys some information. These are questions we get practically every day from owners, landlords, tenants. We're hoping we can give you guys some insight into what we do every day. So one of the major questions I get is, how do you guys justify your fees? So this is kind of an interesting question. I've always thought that, people are going to invest or spend, $100, $150 a month to insure a $30,000 car. What your property management fees really cover is more like tenant insurance. The way I look at it is, you're gonna pay insurance for your car. You're still gonna have to do maintenance on the car, and believe it or not, it's an appreciating asset. Your house is an appreciating asset. And what your management fees really cover is the protection against tenants either not paying, doing damage, or not treating the house like they should. So one of the main questions I get from potential landlords, especially landlords that do it themselves, is how do you guys justify the percentage that you charge me every month? What I'd like to do is maybe have a different perspective on it. I ask landlords all the time, what do you pay for your car insurance? Most owners, they'll have a $30,000 or $40,000, $50,000 car, and they're paying $100 to $150 a month for their car insurance. I'd like for potential owners to think about the management fees as like tenant insurance. One of the things that we're going to do is ensure that your tenants are qualified, number one, credit-wise, income-wise, and with the history of renting, that they're going to be a good candidate to rent your house. The next thing that these fees cover is we're going to ensure that the tenants are keeping up with the house, because we're going to go in and we're going to do inspections. So one of the things is, it's not so much a fee for us to not only manage the physical aspects, getting contractors out there, things like that, but the fee really is an insurance against having issues with the tenants. That's the main thing that you guys are going to be paying for. So as a value add, in conjunction with us maintaining a good relationship with the tenant, good paying relationship, we're going to bring the strength of a long list of contractors who can probably do maintenance issues a lot less expensively than a single owner who might have one call to a plumber every year, where we have hundreds of calls because of the amount of properties that we manage. If you are concerned about your relationships with your tenants on your own, about calling contractors and doing that stuff on your own, I think that the investment in a property manager is a no-brainer. Give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about your property, and we hope we can work together with you.